Hello guys, this is Bo back on the video. Today's video is gonna be about the Uruguay pesos. Oh no, sorry guys. The Paraguay Guaranis, sorry guys. Uruguay pesos gonna be in a few months when I get my sets, lol. But anyway, so I've got a few of them from a good friend from Canada who sent me a big package last week. I mean last month, but it arrived this week. But anyway, let's start. The 2000 Guaranis notes. On the front we've got Adela y Celsa Sperati. They are sisters with very nice haircuts and faces, I think, yeah. That one is from 2017, pretty recent, yeah. You've got a book, maybe the book of Proclamation of Independence of Paraguay, I don't know. If you know, let me know, guys. Signatures of Gerente General and Presidente, Banco Central de Paraguay. Trying to improve my Spanish accent because I have some exams this year and next year as well. So 2000 Guaranis is about 20 cents, I'm not pretty sure, guys. Maybe 25 cents to 30 cents, something like that. Cents of euros, of course. On the reverse, we've got some military parades with some nice Paraguay flags and some young boys with the uniform. Here we've got some inscription, maybe in an old Paraguayan language, Mokoi Sugua Guarani, yeah. It's a nice note with some big windows. I like that. I like these designs. It's a cool note. Got it for face value, so just took it, yeah. So let's move on with the 5000 Guaranis, about 50 cents of euros. What I like about this note, sorry, is the nice transparent window. That is the shape of a train, of a locomotive. For me, honestly, guys, this is one of the coolest polymer window I've ever seen. The shape of a train. This is very cool, I think, very unique and proper to Paraguayan banknotes. I mean, proper to the 5000 Guaranis note, yeah. That one is from 2011, when they launched the polymer notes, yeah, one of the first series. On the front we've got Don Carlos Antonio Lopez. Okay, on the reverse we've got the Palacio de los Lopez, the palace of the Lopez family, yeah. Still got the train window here. Yeah, it's a cool note. And I've been lucky enough to get the old 5000 for face value as well. So same persons on it, huh? Don Carlos Antonio Lopez. And Don basically means in Spanish, Don or Doña, it means that this person is part of the royal family of Spain, I think. Maybe from a big family of Paraguay, I don't know. But if you see Doña or Don in Spain, it means that this person is from the royal family of Spain. But anyway, that's not the subject. I won't go too deep in details, we'll make a too long video. But anyway, it is the paper 5000 from 2010. And something very interesting I've noticed, my paper is from 2010 and my polymer is from 2011. So these two notes are like from 1 year I mean, this polymer was issued 1 year after this paper, so it's cool, yeah. And the reverse is basically the same, huh, with the Lopez Palace, with the flag of Paraguay here, and it's a nice note. I like the South America vintage notes, they are so cool, I think. Like the pesos, the Guaranis, the Bolivares, the Bolivianos. They are super cool, yeah. Now, I've got two uncirculated ones for face value as well. So, yeah. The 10,000 here, 10,000 Guaranis, with Dr. José Gaspar Rodríguez de Francia, here. That one is from 2015. On the reverse we've got the Declaration of Independence, I guess, of 14 de mayo de 1811, 14 of May of 1811. most of South American countries gained their independence in the 19th century, in the years 80, yeah. Most of South American countries like Ecuador, Brazil, Peru, or Bolivia, yeah. Paraguay is a part of them. So it's a very sober note with some gray. Forgot the words, but some gray dégradé. I mean, yeah, some intensity of colors. I mean, it's very sober, yeah. But I like it. Nice security strip here. And it's a cool note, yeah. And this is a very cool note, the 20,000. 20,000 guaranis from 2013 with La Mujer Paraguaya, which means the Paraguayan woman. So they try to do a stereotype of the Paraguayan woman. It's nice, yeah? With the star here, it reminds me the communist notes of China and USSR, but anyway. It's a nice blue colored note, very nice color, a nice security strip with the stars here. Very cool note, yeah. Nice security elements. They really did a good job on this one. On the reverse, we've got the central bank, which consists of a huge building with some gardens around. It's a nice one. Looking forward to get the 50 and 100,000s, because these are some very nice ones from Paraguay, and yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and that's it for today's video. The Paraguayan pesos, guaranis, sorry guys, the Paraguayan guaranis. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a like. Bye, take care, thanks for watching.